Nobody can say nothing because they won't know nothing. From people saying people who wear wigs don't have confidence or they don't love themselves, do we really care what other people think when we wear our wigs? Are we wearing them for ourselves? Whether it's a wig, braids, or any hairstyle, I'm doing it for me. I even had somebody go as far as to say most men wouldn't want me because I wear wigs. Do you care that I wear a wig?
No, I don't care.
Today's wig comes from AshimaryHair. Let's do a quick unboxing. They put in here the wig, of course. We're gonna unpackage that in a second. This will give you a kit full of goodies to help you install your wig. It comes with a wig cap, lashes, all this good stuff. It just depends on the promotions that they are having at the time that you purchase. They also put in some tape if you would like to go glueless, but also just have some tape in there just to get the size to lay, and just some little accessories. This is their highlight straight invisible strap cozy snug fit 360 lace wig, pre-everything. So looking at it straight out the box, you can see that those knots are gorgeous. The hairline is pre-plucked. The lace is already pre-cut. Let's take a look at the cap. So this is their 360 lace wig. As you can see, the hairline is already pre-cut on here, so you don't need to do anything with it. The lace looks pretty blendable, brown highlights going through it, so it's not too much if you are looking for something that's just a little bit of something. This is what the invisible strap looks like in the back, and they also pre-cut the lace in the back of the wig, so you don't need to do that. This helps so that you won't have to glue down the back. Just use these strings here to pull and tighten the wig so it lays flat in the back. Built in one here, combs also, and they give you an extra invisible strap. And I do have a video to show you how to insert it in case you do break it. This is their new cap design for their 360. It has, as you can see, lace going all the way around, and then it has this mesh center with the wefts, and it's very lightweight. This cap is supposed to fit super snug, super comfortable, and just be able to fit the head. This is a close-up of what the knots look like so you can get a feel and see how they are. They're very good. I love that companies are now making the knots less visible. It definitely gives a more realistic look. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this wig on right now so you can see how simple it is just to wear it straight out the box. Wigs are one of the most versatile styles that you can wear to protect your natural hair. Do y'all see how gorgeous this wig is? It looks so natural. So if you are wearing a wig like this is going to be the most natural wig you can wear. Now I do always believe in a wig looking presentable, definitely. So that's why I try to give you all these wigs and tips that I feel like will give you the most flawless look. That way nobody can say nothing because they won't know nothing. Straight out the box, the hair is beautiful. It has these soft highlights going through it. Very soft, just enough and not too much. So let's talk about the fit. The fit definitely feels very lightweight with this cap. However, you can see that I still have to cut around the ear area. This is what it looks like before I do anything to it. You can kind of see it, but this is very blendable for any skin complexion. Is I'm going to take my scissors and I am going to create an area around the ear so this can fall. But making sure not to cut that invisible strap. Of course, you don't want to snip that by mistake, so be very careful not to do that. I'm going to go in with the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray around the hairline. We're going to lay this lace down with that. And this can be found in the description box of my video. Be sure to check down there for the links. Just lay this lace down with this edge band, and they put these little cute powder puffs on the ear tab areas so that you can have comfort. Okay, so let's talk about some of the benefits of this wig. I don't know what it is about Ashimary's hair, but it's always gorgeous. Their straight textures to me is the best. So this is their invisible strap 360 wig. It can be free parted, so you can part it wherever there's lace. As you can see, side part, middle part, no part, however you want to do it. The knots come pre-bleached. The invisible crystal band is their invisible strap in the back, and pre-cut lace, of course. Now with this cap, it's supposed to fit a little bit better than their caps that they have. We're going to get into that. I'm going to tell you how it fits for me as we get throughout the video. Basically, you just use the invisible strap in the back, tighten it, and it can shrink it smaller, or you can expand it to be bigger. It's just up to you and what your head needs. Now, as far as cap sizes, it comes in a standard cap size. It is workable. I can tell you now, I'm a size medium. It's a little bit of space there. Not a lot of space, but a little bit more space there. I feel like somebody with the size 23 most likely could adjust it and fit it just as good as I can. There is a comb in the back of the wig. I did notice that the comb is removable. I feel like I don't like the removable combs, some of them, because they keep slipping out. I believe the length that I have is about 26 inches. The hair is beautifully layered, so it's like it's a little bit shorter here around the face, and then it goes into the longer layers. It comes in lengths 14 through 34 inches. Whoa, 34, good gracious. Where are we going with that? And it comes in a density option 180% to 250%. So you have options. This, I believe, is the 180. And it's very comfortable. It's like, it feels very comfortable. It's flat, it's gorgeous, the hair is silky. One very unique thing I do love about the back of their invisible strap wig is that it's so flat. This area usually on some wigs is a little bit bulky, but I feel like the way they constructed the hair in the back makes this area so flat around here that I could glue it down if I wanted to and pull it up. So you can pull it up for comfort. There's not too much hair back here, just distracting from the flatness. So I wanted to show you guys what that looked like. So this is what the hairline looks like now that I have melted that lace down. It looks really good. I will have this wig linked below in the description box for you guys, so be sure to go down there and check. You can find the link below this video. The hair is just gorgeous. The hair is super gorgeous. This is straight out the box. It fits really good now that I cut them tab areas. Like I said, it lays very flat. And sometimes with wigs, I feel like some companies have to understand that to be able to pull it up and it looks natural, the density plays, as far as how the hair is put into the cap, plays a big role on how flat it's going to lay when people go to put it on or style it. And I think they did an excellent job with the construction of this. I just wish, like I said, the comb was in there. Like, I don't like some of the adjustable combs just because, but I did like the Velcro one that I shared with you guys in a previous video. That one was very secure. So yeah, the links will be below. Be sure to check down there, and I will see you all back in my next video.